Hey guys, Stephen Price here with Grow Together. You remember the other day I was talking about the 6-inch pots and how we couldn't find any. And when we asked, the lady said, "Oh, well, the flower pots are out of season." And I didn't know flower pots had a season, but apparently they do. And we may also, because in Ecclesiastes 3, chapter 3, verse 1, it says, "For everything there is a season." You know, God has arranged every single detail that goes on to build us and to mold us into what He wants us to be. So in our personal life, we definitely go through seasons because every season has a lesson for us to learn. And it takes those different seasons for God to use us so we can grow from those. Sometimes we just need to be still, just wait. You know, in Psalms 27:14, God tells us that, says, just be still, wait on God, don't lose courage, and He'll strengthen your heart. A good example of going through seasons, I think, would be Joseph from the Bible. If you remember what happened, he started out as a shepherd, okay? Then he went from a shepherd to slavery. Now, the good thing is no season lasts forever, okay? So after he came out of slavery, he went and he was then over Potiphar's house, okay? But then after that, he went into prison, okay? Now, just because a season changes doesn't mean that God's plan changes, because once he came out of prison, he became second in charge over Egypt, okay? We just need to let God work through the different seasons in your life. I don't know what season you're going through, but allow God to use it. You know, take advantage of the time we have. And as James Taylor said, winter, spring, summer, or fall, all you've got to do is call, and I'll be there, yes I will. You've got a friend. Hey, this is Stephen Price. I'm Grow Together, and anything's possible with God.